Brogue dress shoes. Nothing says refined quite like them. But over time and left alone in a closet to nearly be forgotten, even the highest quality leather loses its luster. It dries out, scuffs, and starts to look tired. And if you're not careful, neglecting your shoes can actually shorten their lifespan. But don't worry, there's a way to bring it back to life the right way. Today, I'm showing you how to properly clean, condition, and restore your leather dress shoes using one of the best kept secrets in luxury leather cobbler care. Let's get to it. Step 1. Remove the laces. You always want a clear surface so you can properly clean every part of the leather. Plus, laces can trap dirt and you don't want to spread that around. Next, grab your favorite horsehair brush and dry brush the entire shoe. This removes surface dirt and preps the leather for conditioning. Skipping this step means you're just rubbing dirt deeper into the pores, and that's the last thing you want to do. Step 3. Insert a cedar shoe tree. Not only does this help hold the shoe's shape while you work, but it also absorbs moisture and odors. A must-have if you want to keep your shoes in top condition. Now for the reason we're all here. Venetian leather balm. Unlike other polishes, this is rebuffable, meaning once you apply it, you don't have to keep repolishing each time. It's full of natural ingredients, making it a perfect pair for your leather footwear. The reason this conditioner stands out among others is its proprietary blend of various waxes that each have a role to play in turning your old leather back to life, while also providing an immaculate shine. Since these brogues were quite dry, I was heavy-handed, but a little goes a long way, so always start with a thin coat and apply more if needed. Continue to massage your leather until all of the cream is absorbed, and if you have any left over, simply take a clean microfiber cloth or cotton chamois to buff off any excess. And if you happen to get any of the balm in your broguing, feel free to get your horsehair brush to get it all out. Additionally, if the side of your leather sole is discolored and dry from normal wear, using some Venetian leather balm can bring it back to life as well. Generously apply it to the 360 welt and let dry. Now it's time to buff it out. Once your leather is mostly dry, take your horsehair brush and give the shoe a good buff. This is going to disperse any balm that was left in any of the leather broguing as well. This blends the cream into the leather and brings out a beautiful shine. And what's great about Venetian leather balm is that it works especially well on exotic leathers like alligator or ostrich because it seeps into the pores without clogging them. Simply relace your shoes and we are almost done. Make sure the lacing style you choose is clean and symmetrical to provide the most cohesive and handsome look. What I'm about to do next is very controversial, so only try this at your own risk. I'll be using my mini heat gun, which is equivalent to a hairdryer, to warm up the leather fibers and massage them back into place, which will make my leather smooth and flat again. Now, you never want to overheat your leather because you can permanently damage and burn it. I'm only gently warming up the leather. I never let my heat gun touch the leather directly, and I only stayed in one area for about 2 to 3 seconds. Note that if it's too hot for your skin, it's gonna be too hot for your leather. So by doing this method, at the end of the day, it did provide me with some great results that I'm happy about. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've ever tried Venetian leather care, drop a comment below. And if you've gotten value today, let me know by hitting the like button, sharing the video, and subscribing with the bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Proper leather care is so important, but most people don't know how. So watch these videos next to take care of your leather investments the right way. Remember to love your leather.